Simultaneous equations are two equations, in this case, which have the same value of x that makes both of them true at the same time. The best way to start is to actually label those two equations as equation 1 and equation 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to combine those two equations into one equation by eliminating or getting rid of either the x's or the y's. So I'm going to show the example here where we're going to eliminate our x's. What we can see is that in the first equation we have 4 x's, in the second equation we have 2 x's. If we had the same number of x's in each equation, then we could eliminate them. So equation 2 I'm going to multiply by 2 in order to get the same number of x's. Let's now rewrite equation 1. 4x plus y is equal to 17. And now I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2. 2x times 2 is 4x, plus y, or 1y, times 2 is 2y, and 9 times 2 is 18. And this is an equivalent equation. Now I can see that I have the same number of x's. I have 4 x's here and I have 4 x's here. If I take away those two equations from each other, then that means that I'm going to eliminate those x's. So what I'm going to do equation 1, take away equation 2. And let's see what the answer comes out to be. 4x take away 4x makes 0x. 1y take away 2y is negative 1y. And 17 take away 18 is negative 1. To answer the question now fully, I need to get what the value of y is. So to get rid of the minus 1y, I divide by negative 1. I do that on both sides in order to balance the equation. And so that y is equal to negative 1 divided by negative 1, which is 1. I've solved half the puzzle now because I found what y is equal to. Then, in order to work out what x is, I can now substitute into one of the equations. I think I might actually substitute into equation number 2. Because equation number 2 is a little bit easier. Equation 2 is 2x plus y is equal to 9. We know that y is equal to 1. So now we can say that it's 2x plus 1 is equal to 9. And then we can go ahead and solve this equation. We minus 1 off both sides so that we end up with 2x is equal to 8. Now we can eliminate the 2 by dividing by 2. And finally we end up with x is equal to 4. We now have two answers. We have y is equal to 1 and x equals to 4. However, we have to check into the other equation to make sure that that works for that one as well. So check in equation number 1. We need to make sure that if we have 4x plus y is equal to 17, this is going to work when x equals 4 and y equals 1. So 4 lots of x, which is 4, plus 1 lot of y, which is 1, should make 17. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is equal to 17, so that has now agreed. The final answer to my question, solving the two simultaneous equations, those two equations both work when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1.